Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to start this creating this slide. Sorry. You see it's looking great. Let's try to create this. For that, at first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, we need to add these two circles. There are two circles, two simple circles. You can create them. For creating circles, you need to go to shapes and hold shift to create the circles. Okay. After creating that, we just color them up and set the shape outline to none. And for the shape effect, you can use anything you want, but we are going to go with something simple. For example, like this is good for us. And then this text is just a simple text. It has one thing important. It uses Overdrive Sunset as a font, and also it uses one of these things. I think this font, sorry. And now let's try to create the transition. For the transition, we select both of them and increase their size by pressing Ctrl and Shift. But remember to increase this size a little more. Now we copy the text and paste it here. And also we can, for more better view, change the effect of this text, for example, to something like this. Or you want something like this, more colorful like this, for example. It's up to you, but I like this thing. It's gave me a nice view. And then the text is here. Then you just need to set the transition to morph for the effect to be appeared. Let's have a look. It's looking amazing. If you like this kind of videos, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to ask me if you have any question. You can also bring these circles out if you don't like to give some kind of dislike transitions. Until the next video, have a nice time.